can you imagine? I just take this product, yeah, just very easy, This assay we take, and then my liver and kidney problem disappear. Just as simple as that. So, and the taste also of the product very, 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 very nice, yeah. So to me, it's like too good to be true. That's why I think, wow, this is so easy and everyone can buy, not like very expensive stem cells. So I think I will introduce the product to my friends. That is my first uh, thinking about this product. And
Mm.
yeah, in a short while, because the product is so good, of course, everything goes so easy. Yeah, this is my experience. But if you, oh yeah, if you join already, so this is your time to spread the good news to your family, your friend, and it's okay. Don't think of I want to make them my downlines. Not like that, yeah. It's okay to think like that, but maybe if you think that uh, you will share this good news to someone, yeah. Just like when there will be festival to celebrate Malaysia Independence Day, maybe like that. Oh, there will
Yeah.
be fireworks there. Yeah. Uh, let's come to see the fireworks just like that. So very natural, and people don't need special ability to do this.
Mm.
That's why everyone actually can do this business. Yes, in the process, meanwhile, you can also learn. If you learn and study about the product, about the company and everything, of course, it's easier for you to answer if there is question deeper than the previous one. But for the first time, you just need to talk a lot, to chat a lot with your friend.
Mm.
So yes, only like this. This is very, very simple, yeah. When you uh, talk to your friend about the good news, yeah, it is natural because you tell them your story, your side of story. And everyone should be able to do this. If you find difficulty, of course you can contact your uplines. And afterward, yeah, you can learn more and more and more. So this is good because we can help people with the health and financial, and then afterward we are healthy and wealthy, so you can do anything like that, yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
you can enjoy life. It's up to you, yeah. If you
Yeah.
want to do good things, donate or something, you can do it easily. If you want to travel, you can do it easily. So whatever you will do, it will be easier for you. You want to give your parents something, yeah, in return. So everything easier. The life easier. This is important because health and financial is very important. And then you can concentrate only mainly on your health and happiness. So what to do next this day, like that. So this is very, very convenience for me. Okay, I will give you a little bit of theory. This is the theory if you want to learn deeper to be a networker, because once you start selling to your friends, it's good. You earn money, yeah, and you can earn good money. You can be two level of samurai, yeah, and earn hundred of millions 1 month. It's only by selling. But if you want to go bigger, you have to know the essential of networking, because selling, yes, you earn money, but you have also to do a lot of work. Yeah, when you go networking, for the start you will have to do a lot of work, maybe more, yeah. But after a while, you will be duplicated. So one 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 you can become a thousand you, become 10,000 you. That what makes us rich and passive income and everything.
True.
So I want to mention this a little while. I share, Rosa?
Yeah. You can share. You can share.
Okay. Okay, this is one of my training before, yeah. It's
Okay.
still in Indonesia, but it's okay, yeah. So here in the first step, this is what we call the staircase of Semut team and team, yeah. Our team. So from me to all of my downlines now a lot, yeah. Uh, we call ourselves Semut team to distinguish ourselves to the others and team, yeah. Semut team, yeah. Okay. So first, when we join, we have to climb to the stairs of prospect. So we have to do prospecting, yeah. Prospecting different with presentation. Just now you hear Rosa bring full presentation like that. But in prospecting, you don't have to do that all. You know,
Mm.
make it easy, make it fast, make it simple, make it fun. So you don't have to say, "Oh, this is the very big company, you know, old already, yeah, old or young have no relation with them, yeah. They don't, they don't relate to, oh, why if the company old, you know. I have young company only 1 year, but earn a lot of money. Maybe things like that will happen. But what you tell your prospect is, hey, this is good, you know. I know this product, yeah. You know, one of my friend telling stories about someone who have eye problem and being helped so much using this. Can you imagine if you are that person? I see that your eyes have problem. Try this. So if you try, then there is possibility that you will be okay. If you experience like this person, because I see that this product different with others. If you buy vitamins, yeah, a lot of them cheaper, but then what's the effect? But this one, you see, oh, I have picture in my phone, you know, like this, you know. Oh, it make you young also. If it can make you young, then it means that it can change all your body. Prospect just like that, you know.
Mm.
So you ask them first without their condition, about their health, about their parents' health, about the neighbors' health, if necessary, you know. Just
Mm.
like that, and then you can start do prospecting. But uh, if you make it according to the theory, it will be easier for you. For me, to own a book very important, yeah. So when I start, I have one book, yeah. One book. I prefer the book with the clip, you know, so I can change the paper from time to time. And there I write down everything about AFC, everything about health related to AFC, because I need to memorize something, yeah. Like this presentation I make maybe years ago, but when I see this, I can see clearly what to do. Yeah. So you have to have one book, and then in that book, for the prospect things, you have to list your prospect names. Maybe this will Rosa will explain to you later, or your upline will explain to you later. But this will help because often I ask my downline how many prospect you have, and they say, "Oh, I have 50, 100. Do you have 200? Maybe 300. I don't have." You know. But when we do the grouping, you do elementary school, yes. Do you have friends? Yes, several of them. Okay. And then junior high school, oh, I have a lot. How much? Yeah, I have 200 of them. Okay. And then senior high school, oh, maybe 300. Okay. And then faculty. And then if we make folders like that, then we have hundreds of friends. And also we can make new friends, right? So this is the prospect staircase, yeah. And then the next stairs is to arrange, to help to arrange your downline. So once you have prospect, you can begin to help them to develop, yeah, to develop your network. And this means that you accompany them to do prospecting. You have to tell them what to do. You have to do trainings like this for them so they know what to do. because you have downline, you want them to also success, because if they all success, then you will be success. Can you imagine if you have me on your left side and me on your right side? Of course, you have maximum pairing all the day, yeah. So yeah, this is uh, you have to do to make sure that your downline prospect. And to process that is important here is to duplicate and to do line of command. What I mean with duplicate is, of course, you have to make yourself know as much as possible and have discipline also, have good attitude also. So when you duplicate, your downline will become like you, a good leader. If you don't do this thing, I mean, you don't learn, you don't have a good attitude, always come late, always egoistic uh, first, yeah, always do egoist thing. Of course, this will be duplicated also. So be careful in this. You will have to be able to be duplicate, and the duplication should be good. So you have to study a lot. And then afterward, after you help your downline to duplicate and everything, the next steps is to arrange. You know, to arrange mean uh, you have to organize the LOP. You have to do Zoom like this, like Rosa. You know, Rosa so good on the third stairs already. Yeah, and then but remember, when you go up these stairs, I mean when you go from prospect to arranging to help downline to duplicate them, you have to make sure that your downline also go to the prospecting stairs. When you go to the arranging the LOP and Zoom and everything, you have to make sure that your position is taken with the previous downline, the one that with the one that now good for prospecting have to be able to help maintaining their downlines. And when you go to the roadshow means you go from one area to the other to open the area, yeah, roadshow. Then you have to make sure that in your city you have someone who help you to arrange the LOP, to arrange the Zoom, you know. So you have to take your downline up also one step when you go up one step. By doing this, if everyone go one step, one step, one step, and then you will be in the top, you will be a leader. Yeah, the leader means that you have to find the right strategy and everything. So this is only uh, a short picture, so you know that we are not like climbing stairs, but holding hand. So when you climb one step up, your downline have to follow you one step up also, because you are holding their hands, you know. And you can always do consultation to your upline, yeah. Uh, we have here line of command also. Line of command mean everything you want to know, you ask Rosa. Or not Rosa, everything you want to know, you can ask your leader first, you know. When your leader cannot answer, kick his or her butt, you know, and then ask him or her to ask to their uplines. If their upline cannot answer also, yeah, kick the butt and then go up again, like that, until you find upline that can answer your questions. And as uplines, you should answer to the ones that asking to you, you know, and then ask them, make sure, yeah, you accompany them, ask them to explain to the downlines, and you just monitor whether the answer correct or not. So by doing this, all the line of command will be there, and everyone will know the answer and how to answer and what's the question and everything. So next time the same questions come, you don't have to answer, because maybe the downlines of your downlines already able to answer it. By doing this, actually we save energy, we save time, yeah, we save money and everything. And the most important, if we have a news, yeah, like I have something to tell about the Malaysia group, which now is so big, yeah. I see that Malaysia develop like crazy to America, to Vietnam, to Philippines, to Thailand, everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing, yeah, amazing. You guys amazing. So if I want to talk about this, I just ask Kevin and Tang, two person that I keep for my line of comment. Of course, I know Rosa, I know Tenny, I know uh, the other, yeah. But what I mean is, at least I know the line of comment, and I know also 3 to 4 depth from them. Like I know Rosa, like I know the others, yeah. So if something happen, I can still contact that. Say that uh, I cannot contact Tang because of something, and then I cannot also contact Kevin. Yeah, so maybe Kevin is busy, or Tang is maybe enjoy the holiday in the place that have no cellular phone, maybe like that. Yeah, so I can contact Rosa or the others that I know that under them, but the next big leader. So make sure you know deep 3 to 4 lines under them. So if I need something, I just tell Kevin and Tang, and then everything will be okay because they can spread the news also to their leaders only, their big leaders only, and the big leaders to their big leaders only like that. Maybe in several minutes, the news already spread it in 2,000 of persons. Yeah, but if I don't have that line of comment, it will be difficult for me. I have to uh, chat everyone, explain to everyone, and things like that. So about AFC, if you join already, you don't have to be afraid because the system so strong. Uh, what I mean so strong is actually the sales because the product so good. So it's like I've done several MLM. This like 3 times easier, because yeah, people when healed like just now you hear the testimony about the eye and also about autism, about the cancer and everything. Of course, the news will spread fast. We just need to accompany, and also the company have a very good management and also a lot of Zoom, yeah. But it is not in English, it is not in Chinese still, yeah. So, but soon when Malaysia open, we will arrange to have that in Malaysia. So the system also like promotion. So you, the leaders now, will notice that if the promotion there, then our sales will just climb up like this, yeah. Like in Indonesia, wow, yeah. About the promotion Sesuru, it's just like very sharp, yeah. Two of my account flash every day, So uh, this is a very very good way of the company of helping us. So the system actually very very strong, the promotion and everything. And then the company arrange everything from January. It will do this promo. February this one, March this one. So everything will be arranged to make the sales always high. So we have the best company already. That's why different. You cannot say, "Oh, I want to join that company and then be the first person and then I will be rich," because different. Yeah. A lot of aspect here will take role. So uh, when you are new to this business, don't be afraid to explore because you got nothing to lose. When you pay, actually you got the product. You can consume the product and become healthy, right? You can give to your parents and your parents will thank you for that, and then you can give to your friend who is sick and they can be healed. So according to me, everything that you pay, you got the products already. So this business actually you can do it according to your wish. If you see this business will be very very big, then maybe you are like me, you know we can earn so much billions in 1 month, yeah, in 1 year, yeah. So this is very very good because I see this business big. But if someone see this business only small, then maybe small thing will happen. Also, if you see that, oh, I just try this, try 3 days, 1 week, or 1 month, and then stop because, oh, I cannot do that. But actually, if you learn deeper, you can do it. Also, now in Indonesia, a lot of them do the prospecting only from home. So they do the prospecting using social media. This one you can learn. Yeah, if you say one person tell me, Dr. Yudi, I don't have friends. Yeah, I say make friends. I'm not easy make friends. Okay, try to learn chat to someone. Oh, that's not easy, Dr. Yudi. Yeah, this is like psychopath maybe. I don't know, but according to me, everyone can make friends. Yeah, can chat. If you find someone, you just smile and they will smile. And then you open conversation just like that. Don't target too much to sell something, but if you make friends, easy, 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 and then the next day you can chat about the health and then come to the product like that. But this one say, oh, I cannot make friends. I cannot chat and everything. I said, okay, then do social media. Oh, cannot. Why? I cannot. I'm allergic to social media. I'm bad in technology. I said, yeah, you can learn. No, cannot. I said, okay. So you cannot do offline, you cannot do online, but you want the money. Yes. Yeah,
Wow.
several of you laugh already. Yeah. This is so funny. If you want to do something, then we have to do something. Of it. You want the money, you have to do the work. You have to do the work from the start. I mean, the starting, yes, it's like dirty job. When you want to build your house, you have to dig even deep to the ground, a lot of dirty soil and things like that, yeah. And maybe break the stones and everything. And when it's ready, then it's easier. You just put stones and cement, easier job. Yeah, you do the construction. And then after construction, easier and more easier because the roof there already, so you can work without being exposed to the sun and things like that. Yeah. So this is the same. So first time, do you want it or not? You have to do prospecting. Yeah. But prospecting, if you make complicated mind, will be difficult. But if you put happy mind and easy, I think will be easy for you because it's like just like spreading the good news. Yeah. So you have nothing to lose. So take your time, give time to yourself to develop. Yeah, find your own way because everybody have a different way. Say that maybe the way that Rosa prospect will be different from me if I'm doing prospect. If okay, it's okay. If you do yourself also, or you are good in social media, which I'm not. Yeah, so you can use your social media. A lot of Indonesian now from home can earn billions, yeah, 1 year only from home because they are expert in social media. But when I see one of them lately in Java, he said, "Doctor, it's so difficult for me to find to meet someone, because I'm so shy. Usually I do just like this in computer and I sell a lot." I said, "Yeah, you can learn." So, but the introvert people also can win here, yeah. The extrovert can win, so it's up to you, yeah. Uh, and also, if you find negativity when you first give the news to your friend, yeah, maybe you give the news can be product and can be financially. Maybe they are not convinced with the product. Maybe you have to tell, and of course, sometimes it needs to force a little bit. Yeah, like the story about the lady that Rosa told you. I read from Kevin. I think Kevin a little bit forcing a little bit. Yeah, so she wants to consume the product, but after consuming the product, the eyesight become very much better. Of course, she will thank Kevin. Yeah? So sometimes a closing like that. Some people say, "Oh, Dr. Judy, I feel uneasy." If it's for the good thing, I think it's okay. But if it's for the bad thing, you can feel uneasy. Yeah? So like that. And uh, sometimes I prospect my friend. from financial sites, and then they say, oh, I don't know like that. So yeah, sometimes I tell them, okay, 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 don't do this business. Yeah, let me do the business. Yeah, don't do the business. Yeah, let me do the business. Let me be rich alone. Yeah, so don't do the business and don't be rich with me. So it's okay. Yeah, just do your previous job like that. When I start, I sometimes do that. Yeah. Because sometimes people, if we advise something good, they will just reject. You know, but
Yeah.
if we say don't, they will do it. If we say do it, they don't do it. So just try to find the character of your friend or prospect and then find a way to goes in like that.
Yes.
So you can show your quality because a lot of people now actually have a very good quality, uh, good ability, but they never develop the ability. Yeah, like I often told when I do the roadshow or telling stories, uh, when I was in elementary school, actually first grade to third grade, I feel like I'm the king, you know, because I torture all of my friends, so all of them scared of me, so I feel like I can have everything I want.
Mm.
But after the fourth grade to sixth grade, I moved to another school and I become very introvert person, you know, very shy and have no confidence. So years gone by just like that. So I don't have any what deep memories about something good, you know. But in the junior high school, one of my friend told me, I saw her, she's so clever. So I told her that actually you can be a champion. But she told me, no, UD, actually you can be a champion. I said, from what side? Because I want to be the class champion, yeah, only in the class, maybe number two, number one, number three. Yeah. I even pray to God, God please, one time only number three enough for me, you know. But yeah, but at that time I'm not a champion, yeah. So my friend told me, because you never study. I said, no way, I study, and then my friend said, when? When did the last time you study? And then I realized I never study, you know. So my friend said, now take your time, 15 minutes only. See, this is what we call with atomic habit now. 15 minutes only, but concentrate and do the study during 15 minutes. And then I think 15 minutes not a big deal. I can do it. So I begin to study only 15 minutes one day. Fast forward, the end of the year, I can be a champion, not in my class, but for the whole class. Yeah, number three. So yeah, general champion for the whole class, number three. Uh, by doing that, I gaining full confidence. So after that, every year I become number one. You know. So you see the changing here from the people who's very confident, yeah, become introvert and become no one, yeah, and then become confident again. So we can change. Yeah, if you now feel shy, if you don't have friend, if friend don't like you, if you feel like a loser, you can change that if you want to. Only give a little bit of change, a little bit of time. So, but consistent. So a little bit of thing that you write down if necessary, you know. One, I will learn about AFC 20 minutes one day or 15 minutes one day. Write it down. One, I want to do the prospect. Yeah, maybe 1 hour one day. Just like that. If you feel cannot, but during that time you have to focus. You have to force yourself. You know. So after a while, maybe 1 month, 2 months, or 1 year, 2 year, then you will change so good that you will earn money here. Because I saw a lot of my downlines starting the first year, the second year still have difficulty, you know. But after the third year, boom, and everything so easy for them. Everywhere they prospect, they just have success, and the network is low. So like that. Don't worry because if you don't have good quality, because this is network, yeah. So maybe you know already, but you don't fully understand it like me before. This is network. So say that I'm a very lazy guy. I have Rosa, who's very diligent. I have Tang, I have Kevin, who's very diligent. Say that I'm stupid. Maybe I will have some doctors under me, like my friend. He's only a taxi driver, yeah. But his downline, a lot of doctors. His first downline actually doctor with a very very colorful background. So this is the power of network. You don't have something, but you can have downline that have that something. I cannot do social media marketing, but a lot of my downline did it now in Indonesia, and they success. Yeah, they can have order from another city far far away, and it is so easy because they just can click and the company have stockist there. So yeah, this is the good thing. And now in Malaysia, we even before start, yeah. So can you imagine if you focus from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, yeah, it's the life will be so easy for you. Several weeks ago, I'm doing my roadshow and I went to Surabaya. There I meet one of my leader, Anastasia, yeah. Before she go bankrupt, about 4 or 5 years ago, yeah, 4 years ago, I think. Go bankrupt and has nothing, yeah, and very stressed, so cannot even talk about this AFC, according to her. But luckily, I opened her mind, so she joined this AFC and being convinced, and then she fight here very very hard, yeah. But now this is so funny in because the apartment in Surabaya connect to the very very big mall. So I stay in the hotel also. It had a hotel also, yeah, nice hotel. So we stay in the hotels. So just go down to apartment, just enjoy things, yeah, and do the gym and things like that, swimming. So when Anastasia want to see me, I asked her to join me in the mall. During looking something to eat, then I found this developer actually developing one new section that have two very very high rise building apartments and also condominium, and under the building is another newest mall, of course the most beautiful mall. So I think, hey, we feel very very relaxed here because I spent first 5 days in Surabaya and then go back again for 4 or 5 days, and then I think we love it to sometimes here in Surabaya, but sometimes there is no hotel there. If the event or something so big or local holidays or something like that, then the hotel will full. So we will find it very difficult to stay there, or we have to pay for the very very expensive room. So I talked to Johanna, why don't we just buy apartment here? Oh, it's okay, just to relax, yeah. And I want to change 3 apartment bedroom to become only 2, so we have big room. And then Anastasia come. When Anastasia came, I just talked to her, and she said, "Hey, good doctor, good doctor. I want to buy one also." And then she just buy. She just bought the apartment. That easy, like buying the fried banana, yeah. So yeah, without planning, just go there and buy. And afterward, even she whispered to me, "Hey doctor, actually for us, this is too easy, yeah? Too easy. We feel nothing." I said, "Yes, yes, yes." But I'm so happy, See, the life changed so much there. So that's why uh, do this business. Yeah. If you have vision like me, then you will put your effort, your thinking, your mind, everything here yeah, you will not uh, you will not hesitate to spend your time, your money, and everything because you are building your network and you build it right. You can learn from your upline. Rosa is very experienced networker. Yeah, you have a lot. If I go to Malaysia, I meet them. I know all big leaders here. All with 30 years, 20 years experience. So you can learn from them. You can be focused, and 2, 3 years from now, I'm sure that I can hear story with you and tell other people about your story.
Yeah.
Maybe this for me. Yeah, Rosa. Maybe if they
Yeah.
have questions. Yeah.
We have a story about a young lady, 18 years old only. Within 28 days, she got, I have to convert it to ringgit, 20,000 ringgit in 28 days. Dr.
Yeah.
Yudi, you want me to tell the crowd the income you showed me the other day?
Maybe personally, maybe personally. But
Yeah.
yeah, but this is very very nice because my lifestyle changed so much. Yeah. Before I think that if I can have my retirement in the mountain, with 1 hectares of land, maybe I will be very very. Maybe I will be the happiest person on earth, like that in my mindset. Now I have 3.5 hectares already, yeah,
Yeah.
and yeah, I can buy a lot more. So life has changed so much, and also if you like cars, yeah, cars not important anymore because sometimes people buy cars for the prestige, yeah. While we don't have to talk about the prestige, don't have to uh, chase the prestige because yeah,
Mm.
everyone knows that we have big incomes already, and also uh, it is actually from our feeling. If we feel that we can buy anything, everything, almost everything, then maybe we don't want to buy because it's okay, But yeah, if we don't have it, then maybe we don't have the money. Maybe we want to buy something, even maybe good motorbike or good cellular phone, like that. But if you can buy everything, maybe the one that is functioning well already enough for you.
Mm.
Yeah, AFC changed my life so much. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. If you don't know Dr. Yudi before, Dr. Yudi last time is a doctor, and now still a doctor, but last time he is a doctor in a clinic. People around the world will come to his clinic to do ozone therapy. But now it's totally different. Dr. Yudi is traveling around the world, right? Traveling
yeah,
around the world to see people and help his downline and actually heal more people around the world. So it's from being trapped in a clinic to traveling around the world is a totally different lifestyle, right?
yeah. Because if I work also, I don't feel like working. Like
Mm.
when I go to Malaysia, yeah, I meet Rosa, and the others now like my family.
Go for durian.
Thank Yeah, like family, so I know them so well and
Yeah,
so good, yeah. So we are just like family. So I just like having families everywhere, all around Indonesia, even to Malaysia, Singapore, several. I think 1 month, 2 months, 1.5 month ago, maybe I go to
yeah.
Singapore to accompany my mother to do operation there, and I feel, oh, I think I have spare time a little bit. I just text the group, and then people from
Only
Singapore
a
see
month.
me. It's very, very nice, because we can work anytime, anywhere, and help others in the process.
Mm.
And yes, traveling a lot because this month, yeah, this month. Now is 4th October, yeah. 25th October, I will go to Finland and Norway.
Oh,
Bonus trip from AFC, yeah. And this is so luxurious trip. So yeah, life is very very nice. After that, December to Vietnam, October to Finland and Norway, December to Vietnam, February to East Europe, April cruise Vietnam, Singapore, and Hong Kong, and I continue to China also. Yeah, because it in every trip now I can extend.
mm.
So say that Finland and Norway, the trips of AFC, maybe 11 days or 14 days, then I can extend. the cruise maybe take 5 days, but I can extend to China for 1 week, 2 weeks, up to
Yes.
me.
Mm.
Yeah, so this is a very good lifestyle, and I'm very happy for this. And actually, you too also have the possibility to have it. Only whether you want it or not, whether you have the clear vision of it or not.
Mm.
So yeah, like before when I do prospect, some of my friend say that, hey, I'm busy with my business, property business. I'm busy with my garment business. But at that time, I already told them, okay, watch it, yeah, count it from now.
Mm.
Then in 1 year, 2 years, I want to come again and ask you whose income bigger. And now they all admit, yeah, AFC is the best and
Yeah.
fast and happy, working without burden. Because here we want to be big, just big. Because this is working together. So very easy. But if you have company, you have to arrange everything. If you want to be bigger, you have to you have to put more money to your business, more time, more power.
Mm.
So it's like every time you become more busy, yeah, and you are at risk anytime because like during COVID, a lot of business suddenly collapse.
Yes. Yes.
Very strong business like my brother also almost collapse, start from zero. That's very very sad, yeah, because years developing it and become a very very big developer properties and like a magic boy,
Yeah.
from nothing become a superstar and then suddenly goes to nothing again.
Mm.
That's business. And work so hard from the morning until night in the office, and meeting here, meeting there. I think wow, that's only the meetings maybe a lie. So sometimes I go to his office, but he do the intense meeting all the time from morning until night. So if
Oh.
I do it, my brain will be just boiling. So, yeah, this is the good business.
Yeah, yeah, very good business. I'm also a business person since young. So you look at the business and you compare traditional business and this one, probably you feel the same as I do. Right. So I think we have to thank Dr. Yudi for his experience. We are going to get more of his story in the upcoming sessions. Let us answer some of our questions before we go today.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Grace, can you maybe read out the question?
Oh, so question from Kamadi. How many hikari of autism? How many hikari for autism child?
Actually, everybody different, yeah. So you can give the dosage just like you wish. Uh, if you give a high dose, then the healing crisis not there, or mild healing crisis, then it's okay. But if the healing crisis too much, then you can reduce the dosage. But like my downlines, he found a boy with cancer this big.
Whoa.
The baby only 10 months. So the mothers, after the doctor said it has to be operated, the mother and the father don't want to do it, and they say, "Oh, I will just try AFC instead." And
Mm.
then my downline said, "Okay, sure, it will work because for adult it work. So smaller people, of course, easier according to him, because this is his logic." And then he
Yeah.
just gave three Utsukushi 1 day and two Subarasi.
Mm.
In 10 days, all the big tumors disappear completely.
10 days.
Yeah, so sometimes like that, according to me personally, 5 sachet for 10 months, baby, maybe I won't give that dosage. But yeah, it's work good. So you don't have to be afraid because this is safe, yeah. But if say that the people have diarrhea, yeah, maybe you have to advise people to take it after meal, just like that. Just try to adjust a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so there's another question. Which product is good for vertigo?
Vertigo is Subarasi and Hikari.
Oh,
But sometimes we don't know because You know, the science of medicine also limited, not knowing everything. So sometimes if the product fail, just try another product. But from the patent, you use Subarasi because it will stimulate the stem cells. Yeah, say that something because usually vertigo the problem with the ear or the brain. So that's the two, the small brain and the ear. That's the two device in our body that regulate the balance. So if something happen, you can take uh, Subarasi for stimulating the stem cell and Hikari because Hikari is so good for the brain.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the testimony about a child that have ADHD, yeah, attention deficit, you know, so
ADHD.
like autism. Yeah,
Mm.
uh, the mother often find her screaming out of the pain because of the pain. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the mother bring to the doctor. The doctor analyze, do the scan and everything, and the doctor said, "Hey, I think there was trauma to her head. So this causing damage in the brain, causing this pain. The
Mm.
problem is the pain is so strong. Sometimes when this child sleeping, sometimes just jolted awake and crying, jump from the bed, you know, crying because of the pain,
Mm.
and that happen often. The mother give Hikari before one box finish, so I think still 7 or 9 sachet left. Yeah,
Yeah.
so only 20
Or two-third taken.
more, little bit. Yeah, the symptom all disappear. So
Oh.
can you imagine the ability of Hikari to stimulate the brain? So the neurogenesis, yeah, the neurogenesis, the ability to renew the neuron, the cells of the brain and nerve, very very strong. That's why give also Hikari
Mm.
for this case
Yeah.
and Subarasi. Yeah, if it fail, then you can try also Utsukushi because sometimes it's not according to the theory because like I said, yeah, but this is very very rare. Yeah, like my friend do the rock climbing, suddenly cannot do the pull up, and then of course I give Subarasi, but a lot of Subarasi have no effect. Suddenly he browsed by himself in the internet and found Utsukushi, and then try to take Utsukushi. Take Utsukushi only several sachet, the symptom go away. So sometimes like that, yeah. So just try.
Okay, we leave it to God, all those very miracle things. So there's another question: can we take all the three products together, or two of them together, or do we have to leave an hour in between?
If me, I prefer to give interval because yeah, this is logic. Yeah, you have a lot of people, and then you want to enter a room. Of course, the door only that big. Of course, a lot of people will jam. Maybe some of them cannot goes in or feel pain during the goes in. You know, but if you divide, okay, today only this much, today this much, today this much, maybe easier for the person to goes in all. You know.
Mm.
So to give interval, of course, better according to me. But if you cannot give interval, a lot of Indonesian even mix a lot of sachet, you know.
Mm.
Subarasi, yeah, Subarasi, 6 of them, you know, Utsukushi, 6 of them mix and
This
then
is,
stir in a glass and then take, yeah, like that. And they are so healthy now.
yeah, yeah. So just don't be too stressed because it's very convenient. Just suggest so you just carry around if you are not convenient to take it at home or you have to go to work. Just carry around and you can tear it open and just take it. So there's another question. If I have cancer, can we take these products and not to do chemo treatment?
A lot of Indonesians do that. But as a doctor, I said, if people ask me this, I said, still do your chemo because if you have two defense mechanism, 2 ways, of course, better than 1 ways. This is my logic, you know.
Mm.
But sometimes the chemo and everything so strong, yeah, the side effect. So maybe I don't know. It depends on you. But from my side, it is better to do chemo, yeah, and then if the chemo so strong, maybe it's your decision how you will handle it. you want to stop or not, but at least you do according to the doctor uh,
Advice.
advice. Of course, have one bright side, AFC product, the other bright side. If you combine, of course, the possibility of success will be greater. Yeah.
Mm, mm. So which product is best for vertigo?
Just now already answered.
Yeah, just choose one, okay? My patient allergic to mushroom and barley in Subarasi. So just give them Usula.
Yeah, Utsu and Hikari. Yeah, because allergy so good with Utsu. Utsukushi clean our bowel, so very good for allergy.
Yeah,
Yeah. Or if cannot handle with Utsukushi, use the Hikari.
yeah,
Like I forgot the name, but this member from Malaysia or Singapore, I think from Malaysia.
yeah.
She asked me about her customer. She said, I have the customer that suffer from runny nose every morning.
Mm.
And then every morning have runny nose. I give already Utsukushi 2 and Subarashi 1 in the morning. Utsukushi 2, Subarashi 1 in the afternoon, and Utsukushi 2, Subarashi 1 in the evening.
Wow, nice
I
attitude.
asked, how long? How long? 2 months. So I said, maybe you should add Hikari. Why? Because Hikari normalize the nerve. While theoretically the vasomotor rhinitis, yeah, the flu, the wheezing because sorry, sneezing in the morning
Mm.
usually caused by the changing of the blood vessel because the reflex not so good. So maybe this is the nerve problem.
Yeah,
So I add one Hikari only 3 times a day. In 3 days only 80% the symptom go away.
3 days.
3 days. Yeah, I have the chat still, but I forgot which member. I have to scroll if want to
Depending.
see it because I don't memory the name, but
Yeah,
I can find it. Yeah.
yeah. When you find out, please let us know. So, Grace asks if Sensizuru suitable for cirrhosis or Usuzuba is better to treat cirrhosis. Of course, in
Combine.
Japan, right? Huh?
Like I said, if I want to do a fight, it is better for me to have a sword, a gun,
Mm.
or a shield. If I
Yes.
have, of course, better. That's why the army take handgun, take grenades, take machine gun. Because yeah, the more you have, then the easier for you.
Yeah, I always say the more you use, the more tools you use, or the help a little bit more heavy dosage will help you solve the problem even faster.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Yeah, right. So there's another question, Doctor. What to give a young 24-year-old female with heavy and painful menstruation?
Yeah. There is two possibility. Yeah. I never explored Hikari for this. I've never explored because Hikari new to us, but maybe it will also help. But usually we have the choice Utsukushi or Subarashi. Actually, painful monthly menstruation also have two sides. Yeah. It has the hormone balance like this or like this.
Yeah.
Somehow one product will help with this, one product will help with this. Oh, which one related to my patient? I don't know. So just try. But try with Subarashi first. Because usually with Subarashi condition better. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. At
Try,
least clear the
try
problem.
more Subarashi first. Yeah. And then if necessary, you can add Utsukushi later. Because the heavy and painful monthly menstruation can also caused by only the hormone imbalance
Yeah.
or could be from myom, cyst, myom. If these things, maybe you need Utsukushi. So just try.
Mm. Yes, just try. Just monitor yourself. The good thing is this is superfood, right? There's no
Yeah.
risk, no danger. So just monitor and maybe talk to your leader and we can decide. And you can even ask Dr. Yudi if things is very serious. Okay. So another question from Afik. If we do chemo and take AFC and now no trace of cancer, congratulations. How do we know is because of AFC or chemo?
Okay. Frankly, we don't know. Yeah. But we have a lot of testimonial, a lot of patients also that before taking chemotherapy and radiotherapy and the cancer still spreading and bigger, and taking AFC product become disappear. So we have also a lot of testimonials like this. But which one causing this? I don't know. And if I'm a patient, I'm that patient. I don't care. I will just take all, Yeah,
Yeah.
why should you know?
Yeah.
Which one? Yeah, because impossible to know because you do both things. Yeah.
Well, something we really do not need to find out exactly which one. And actually, we don't know. We cannot find out, right?
Yeah, but a lot of Indonesians, they don't have money.
Mm.
So they just take the AFC product and the cancer disappear.
Okay,
So the
if
power, I describe the power of this product is real. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Doctor, I have a question myself. If this patient has a check and find no more cancer, so if let's say they can still afford, what do you suggest? Continue taking or just stop it totally?
Please repeat it. If
So if like a fixed case, no more cancer, you go and check, no more cancer, no trace of cancer now, even though you are a cancer patient before. So if
okay,
I can afford it, do I continue taking AFC or I should stop? I can stop right away.
actually, if you cannot afford it, do the AFC business. If you don't have money, also it's miserable life. You
Yeah,
will live long, but don't have money also. So do the
yeah,
AFC business. Yeah, this is serious. Yeah, according to me. And yeah, actually, if you have willingness to do it, then you will be able to do it, and you will have money at least for your treatment. Okay, now I can give you the what you call it, yeah, the parallel scheme of this. Say that I have a very dirty house or toilet, yeah, because I've never cleaned it for 6 months like that, and then I clean it. I find the right solution. If I pour the solution and rub it only a little bit, it will be clean like new. The question, should I clean it every day or waiting until 6 months again or 1 year? If
yeah,
I'm the cancer patient, I will just take the product all the time. Because
yes.
now I don't have cancers, I take the product all the time. We
Me too.
want to be healthier, to be better, yeah, to be younger.
Yeah,
Of course, we take the product more often if we have cancer. At least you do the maintenance. Like our friends in Malaysia, yeah, a lot of them before cancer patients, stage end stage. But now doctors, yeah, not me, not Rosa, the doctor state that there is no cancer cells detected, but they still take AFC product, maybe lesser dosage, but still take it
yeah. I
just
will
in
say
case.
get close to us, so your cancer hopefully will not come back, or other condition will not come to you. Other health condition will not come to you. So another question: how effective is Hikari for senior with floater issues? How quick is the result?
Okay, I have two stories about this. Yeah, one is my story because I have floaters also. When I go to Korea, I have floaters. Yeah, at that time I contact also member in Malaysia who has the friend in Korea. Okay, I have floaters. I try Hikari, uh, but I noticed the change for the vision on my right eyes. So both of the eyes actually not good. Actually, I have used glasses more than you, Rosa. Before,
Really?
yeah, before this is the minus only 6 point something, yeah, both of them.
Oh, six
So
point
actually,
something.
yeah, if I don't have
Even
my
higher
glasses,
than
then
mine.
if I don't have glasses, then I have to look like this. Where is my glasses? And cannot find it. Before. But then I do lasers on this eye, and the result so and so is not perfect, but at least without glasses I can see, yeah, blur also, but I can find my glasses. But now I use soft lens for this eye, you know. But since taking the AFC product, now the vision better, yeah. This
Become
one actually now, yeah. Oh, sorry. This one, which this one now so good that is the vision so clear. that make me feel like this one not good, because when
Change
I
everything.
analyze, oh, yeah, when you have something, then you feel it is when, life like that, we never get satisfied. So this is my experience. But for my floaters, still there. But I'm also not taking the product regularly, only once a day.
Mm,
Sometimes forget, to take
mm,
Hikari.
yeah.
Yeah, that's me. Yeah. I'm not punctual in taking supplement or like that. But I have one testimony that I think already blasted in group. This is from my downline.
Mm.
She suffer from cataract.
Ah,
So actually the vision already have flares also, and also brown stuff because of the cataract.
nah.
And it is severe already, so the eyes watery all the time, and
Mm.
also painful, the muscles near the eye, maybe because try to accommodate the vision,
Yes,
using
yes.
Hikari, not even 1 month, the symptom disappear already, and the
Okay.
floaters also.
Yeah. It's very good for the senior at home. I mean, for your parents or even yourself if you are senior, like our age. I think everybody have floater. If you reach 50 something, 60, I think almost everybody have floater. Yeah, unless you have do some, because it's a degenerative condition. So
Yeah,
like,
so the question about how quick it will be different from person to person.
yeah.
For my case, yes, because I'm not punctual taking it 3 times a day. but but also if I take 3 times a day, also of course my response with Rosa response with the other response will be different from person to person. Yeah. So just try to be punctual, and take Subarasi, take Hikari,
Yeah. So Matthew still saying if just take AFC product alone to eliminate cancer, is it okay? Chemo loss of side effect, of course we know.
Yeah, just now I think I answered it already. Yeah, a lot of
Yeah, yeah,
Indonesians have cancer and disappear only consuming the products.
yeah.
But having a lot of uh, equipment, of course, better than have only one equipment.
Yeah.
So
So
the
just
decision is yours, yeah.
yeah,
Because Matthew
decision is
sometimes
yours.
want to do this, but want to do that, and then force us to make decision. No, the decision you have to make.
Dr. Izim asks, will Hikari be able to treat colorblind? Any experience or clinical studies have been done?
I don't think so.
Hmm.
Colorblind usually from genetics, yeah.
It's genetic
So
and
cannot.
DNA, but
I don't think so, yeah.
yeah.
But we don't know. But I don't think so. So just try.
We cannot promise anything, but we see a lot of miracle. That's what I can say, right?
Yeah, but I'm a doctor, so I know color blind, But if you are not a doctor, then because sometimes as a doctor, if I answer questions, I have the tendency to relate it to my medical science. Yeah,
Yes,
so
yes.
like I told you stories about a lady have this big tumor, from here to here, yeah, and asked me, doctor, here to here. So, doctor, can we help this lady? I said, no, no, no. I think there's no chance, already too late.
Yeah.
But my downlines keep accompanying her, and then only in several weeks the tumor this big already. So I think, wow. Sometimes, yeah, just try.
Sometimes doctors don't know.
Yeah.
So the last question before we end from Kenny, if a friend SGOT 140, SGPT 57, and got glucose high, take more SOP, take more
Sorry,
SOP
yeah.
or also
Okay.
take.
Uh, okay. My child,
Mm,
because he's so fat now, becoming a doctor. So now in medical faculty,
mm,
so he become fat. I said exercise later that when I graduate,
mm,
cannot. I said this is your health, and then uh, I think 1 month ago, 1.5 month ago, told me uh, that I have emergencies because my SGOT and SGPT is so high,
mm,
so high, and uh, I said of course because you are not taking precautions with your health. So now a problem like that, I give him Utsukushi and Subarashi. Only in 1 month, I just go back from Surabaya. I met him and he said that the SGOT, SGPT go down a lot already. So use Utsukushi and Subarashi.
Yeah.
Also for glucose.
Yeah, very simple and very fast
But
effect.
if you ask me which one more SOP or Utsukushi, I prefer more Utsukushi for me. Yeah. But everybody different. Try to explore.
Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all. Dr.
Oh,
Yin
Dr.
said,
Hasim, yeah. Dr. Hasim said that in Hikari
Hikari
presentation,
presentation.
it put colorblind as one of the indication. Yeah, that's why we can try. And
Yeah.
please update me, update us if a
If it helps,
colorblind patient already good. Yeah, because usually if AFC says something, it based on research.
yes.
So you can, yeah, you can believe it and try.
We are saying it might help in all these conditions because we actually see a lot of cases which we think, doctor think will not help, or we ourselves also think will not help. But at the end, we see a lot of improvement. Okay. How many SOP to take for diabetic for elderly patient?
Yeah, this is also differ from person to person because the reaction different for everybody. But one thing that I'm sure that if you take only one sachet, maybe for maintenance is okay. Yeah, some of them take only one sachet or one box already changed. Yeah,
Yeah.
there is cases like that, extreme case that very, very good. Yeah, but for my general guidance is if you want to keep your to maintain your health, you can take one sachet. But if you want to do something with the illness, maybe two or more, two, three, one product or more. So if cancer, because this is serious, maybe take more again than that level. So we have several level that you can use. But of course, if you want to see the result, you take it more.
Yeah.
If you want to see it faster, yeah.
I just a patient 2 days ago, just taken his creatinine is 700 plus. Doctor drug him into a hospital, must do dialysis, but he took the product for 2 days only, and it dropped 100, become 600
Yeah.
something, so it stabilized and can drag on the dialysis. So
Yeah.
thank you everyone. I think is there anything you want to add, Dr. Yudi, before we end the session?
It's okay. I'm
Yeah.
happy to see you, yeah.
Me too,
But
me too.
but
Yeah.
my I want to emphasize something here about the financial condition. So it will be as big as you see it. If you see it big, then you will get the big result. If you see it small, then you will get the small result. So now everything goes back to you. I'm the person who don't believe in talent. Yeah, I know there is talent, but to success, I don't believe we have to have very big talent. But I believe in changing our habit, in learning from time to time, and we can be everything we want. And I prove it in my life. I become a painter. I become a developer. I become everything. But to me, the most suitable thing for me is to become a good networker like in AFC because it solves all the problem. Yeah.
Yes. And it helps so
Okay.
many people, right? It
Yeah.
helps so many people in their health and in their wealth. So I think it's a very good business. I hope to see every one of us here in a cruise and bring your family together. Okay? Enjoy
Oh
life
yeah, yeah,
together.
yeah. You will get free cabin, free food everywhere because the cruise ship so big and the restaurant open almost 24 hours. Yeah, you can eat everything you want. You want to do ping pong, you want to play basket, you want to play surfing, everything. Yeah, you fly and everything. You can do anything there and still very easy to meet friends. I mean to hang out. Yeah. Go to one deck with the nice breeze, go to the other deck with uh, music or things like that. It's very, 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 very satisfying. We can visit 3 countries, so every one of you have to go there. And there you will find a lot of big leaders with the very, very strong mind that will change your life, you know.
Yes.
They have strong mind, they have a very powerful experience, and you can also see how big ASC is. Yeah. So uh, a lot of advantages. That's why you should chase the trips. Oh, now the trip's almost over. I still
No.
don't have the ticket. If I were you, I will just pay and get the ticket, you know. I can sell the goods later. So
Yeah.
just try. You have to join us in the cruise. Yeah. See you there.
Okay. We see you all in a cruise. Thank you very much and good night, everyone. Good night.
Okay.
See
See
you soon.
you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.